Let's dive right into this explainer and solve a massive everyday headache for employers. How to legally hire and pay that incredibly talented freelancer who simply cannot issue you a tax invoice. We are going to turn this absolute accounting nightmare into a seamless one-click process. Picture this. You found the perfect freelance developer for your project. Let's call him Alex. Alex has the exact skills you need, but suddenly you hit a brick wall. He doesn't have a registered business file, which means zero chance of getting an invoice. For your accounting department, that's an absolute deal breaker, right? We're going to tackle this in 5 clear steps: the invoice problem, NETO as the legal bridge, employer registration, requesting the invoice, and finally completion and payment. Let's get into it.
Step 1. The no invoice problem.
It's a classic standoff. Your accounting team demands a legal tax invoice, and they will absolutely not budge on that. Meanwhile, Alex just wants to write code and get paid simply, without having to navigate the bureaucratic maze of tax authorities. These are 2 completely legitimate needs that are just crashing right into each other.
Step 2. NETO as the legal bridge.
This is exactly where the NETO system steps in to save the day. Operating under strict Ministry of Labor regulations, NETO acts as the authorized employer. They absorb the entire burden of the employer-employee relationship. You just get the service you paid for, and they handle all the red tape. You see, NETO actually holds official manpower contractor license number 1565. This gives them the legal authority to issue you, the client, a standard tax invoice, while simultaneously issuing Alex a fully compliant payslip. It's a total win-win. Step 3. Employer registration.
When you hit the NETO portal, you just choose to register as an employer. It's a rapid one-time process, and the best part, there are absolutely 0 monthly subscription fees to worry about.
The registration forms are incredibly clean and straightforward. You won't find any tedious, endless paperwork here. You only need to drop in your full name or company name, email, phone number, and pick a password. That is literally it. Next, you just check the terms of use and privacy box down at the bottom and click that blue Continue button to move forward. Now, for maximum security, the system is going to fire off a quick SMS verification code to your phone and your email. Just punch that code right into the data verification screen and hit confirm. Boom. Once verified, you'll get a satisfying little pop-up confirming that your business details are saved. Your account is officially live and ready to go. Step 4. Requesting the invoice. Before you jump into your brand new dashboard, just grab these 5 basic details about your freelancer and the project: who you're paying, their contact info, a quick description of the work, and the agreed-upon amount. Inside the dashboard, you'll navigate to the tab for sending an invitation to a freelancer. You just input those exact details we just talked about, specify if the rate is hourly or global, type in the amount, and hit send. It's super intuitive. And finally, step 5, finalizing and paying. While the system automatically pings the freelancer to digitally sign their forms, you can track the exact status under Invoices Waiting for Approval. It offers total transparency, meaning you are never left in the dark guessing where the paperwork might be stuck. Now, here is the absolute best part when it comes to costs. NETO only charges a flat 5% commission on the invoice. 5%? That is an incredibly tiny price to pay for a service that handles all the legal compliance, taxes, Social Security, and pensions. It completely cures a massive administrative headache for both of you. Once Alex approves everything on his end, NETO generates a pristine, legally binding tax invoice for your company, which is absolutely guaranteed to make your strict accounting department smile. You simply pay it via credit card or wire transfer, and NETO effortlessly converts those funds into a legal salary for your freelancer. Let's do a quick recap of this incredibly smooth flow. You do a quick free registration, define the work to request an invoice, and pay NETO directly so they can issue your temporary worker a legal payslip. Now that you understand how the platform works and you know the law is fully on your side, ask yourself, what incredible top-tier talent is currently missing from your team just because of a missing tax file? It is time to start hiring without the paperwork panic.